सबसे पहले तो पूरे देश को आज़ादी का ये दिन मुबारक हो। इस मुबारकबाद शुभकामना के साथ एक महत्वपूर्ण चीज़ ये भी है कि आज़ादी सिर्फ तिरंगा एक दिन फहराने का नाम नहीं है। जिन मूल्यों की आज़ादी हुई थी, चाहे डिग्निटी का सवाल हो, फ्रीडम हो, जस्टिस हो, वो अभी भी कई मायनों में मीलों दूर है। प्रधानमंत्री जी ने विकसित भारत की संकल्पना की बात की, बेहद खुशी हुई। कैसे कोई इनकार कर सकता है। लेकिन आज कष्ट हुआ कि प्रधानमंत्री जी 11वीं बार भी चुनावी भाषण और लाल किले की प्राचीर के भाषण का फर्क नहीं समझ पाए। ये फर्क समझना होगा। इस देश में कई प्रधानमंत्री हुए, आपको हृदय विशाल करना होगा। आप देश के प्रधानमंत्री हैं। जिन लोगों ने आपको वोट नहीं दिया, उनका कोई अलग प्रधानमंत्री नहीं होता है। आपको सबको साथ जोड़ने वाली जुबान बोलनी होगी, भरोसा दिलाना होगा। और मैं समझता हूं वहां प्रधानमंत्री जी अक्सर चूक से जाते हैं।
It just doesn't matter to Rahul Gandhi where they make him sit. He occupies a special place in the heart of every single Indian. They tried to push him out of the parliament because he named Gautam Adani last time, but he won the case, came back with a better majority. And this also shows that either Mr. Rajnath Singh, the Honorable Defence Minister, is avenging the fact that he got completely cornered by Mr. Rahul Gandhi on the Agniveer issue, both in the House and outside the House. In fact, his lies got caught. He was caught red-handed lying. Or it could be the Prime Minister asking his Defence Minister to do this. Doesn't matter to Rahul Gandhi at all. He was enjoying himself sitting with our medalists and our Olympians and our sports persons. But it shows the smallness of thinking of the Prime Minister.
So actually what happened, where he was given, allocated the seat, because there are reports that he himself came back to that seat.
No, these are allocated seats with their name tags. His allocated seat was in the fifth row and the fifth seat in the fifth row. But we never did that when we were in power. They should learn how to adhere to norms and to some dignity of norms. Whenever Mr. Jaitley or all these senior leaders would come to attend such government functions, they would be given first row or second row when we were in power. But you can't expect the same from a intellectually a very pygmy kind of a man